Greetings. Today it's back to school time. For many of you, your children are on the way back to school, back to college, or you're preparing them to go back to high school. And these are very important issues. Your whole child's development and future hinges on how they do in school. And one of the things that we do that is so important for your children is we take the time to test their eye coordination from year to year. This is very, very often not done anywhere else. And even if they do, can they treat it? Well, this is something we do. One of the few doctors in the area who treat eye coordination problems, Dr. Desai and myself. And what difference does this make to your child? Well, if you have a child who is achieving in school, but you think they could be a better achiever, guess what? That may be the case, because if they have any difficulty with their eye coordination, they may see 20/20, they may not need glasses, they may pass any screening they go to, but not our screening, because we'll detect if they have an eye coordination problem and be able to correct it with exercises they can do at home on a computer in just minutes a day and change their whole future. So if something is important to you, and I'm sure your children fall into that category, then testing their eye coordination is a must every year, because as children are developing, this can change and become an issue. So what we do is, in addition to all the other tests that you expect, we test their eye coordination and we graph it in a special program developed for our office, custom made. And this shows from year to year the development and even predicts whether they will be going to develop a problem in the future after we've done this 3 times. So that's 3 years in a row, and we have a prediction. Actually, from the first year, we have a prediction because we graph it against what's normal. It becomes more and more important and gives us more and more information as we go on. So don't forget, this is back to school. Your child's whole future hangs on their achievement level, and not just in academic achievement, but even in sports, because eye coordination affects your achievement in sports. So if your children are on the way back to school, before they get back, or if it's too late now for Christmas, make sure they get in here to have their eye coordination tested as part of the vision exam. And that's done by myself or Dr. Desai. We'll look forward to seeing you. And this is what a vision development report looks like at Holistic Vision Care. It shows all the muscles, how they work together, and helps predict how the child will develop. Eye coordination testing and therapy is known as vision training and is offered by holistic practitioners such as us at Holistic Vision Care, but is almost never offered by ophthalmologists, optical stores, or opticians, who basically provide the simple part of eye care, the refraction, and the treatment of eye disease, which we of course do too.